how to private your Facebook account using only your mobile phone so that you have more control over what others will see. If you watch until the end of this video, you will learn the 12 easy steps in making your account private and what will happen if you do this. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! By default, Facebook makes your information public, but if you want to keep your profile private and have more control over what others see, make sure to finish this video. If you're wondering how to make your Facebook profile private, this video will walk you through step by step. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to private your Facebook account step by step. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayo natutunan or meron kayong mga question para sa video na to, and smash the like button kung nagustuhan mo itong video na to. Subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today and I'll see you on the next vlog.